Look at how steep these stairs. That's crazy. Hello, I'm Miao. Welcome to my video. I hope to help you understand cultural differences, break down information barriers, give you an authentic view of Beijing and China. Join me as we experience the real life of Beijinger. When you visit China, you will definitely see this building, the Drum Tower, right next to Shichahai. But here's a secret. You can actually go inside and climb up. I know most tourists go to Jingshan Park for a view, but a real place overlook Beijing is here, the Drum Tower. From the top, you see the city just like people did 700 years ago. You can also watch the traditional drum performance. Back in Yuan Mingqing dynasties, the drum tower and the bell tower told time for the entire city. Just like the ancient alarm clock of Beijing. It is also the tallest building of the capital, even higher than the Golden Throne Hall in the Forbidden City. Why? Because the drums and the bells had to be massive enough for the sound to reach every corner of Beijing. But there's a twist. As you can see, the streets are narrow, traffic often jams. In 2004 and 2010, two times the government proposed tearing down this drum tower to widen the road. This idea sparked a huge opposition. Scholars, experts, and locals like me who grew up here, we wrote letters, made appeals, and thankfully the drum tower was saved. And now we don't need to worry anymore because in 2023, it was listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site from Yongdingmen in the south through Tiananmen Square, the Forbidden City, all the way to the Drum and the Bell Tower. Runs a perfectly 7.8 kilometer line. The central axis of Beijing, now recognized by the world. But here's a question. Why the ancient city need the two towers, the drum tower and bell tower? Now let's go inside and find out the answer. See, you can buy the ticket on the spot. There's a ticket office, but I already bought it online. The tallest building in Beijing, standing 46.7 meters tall. See, the drum tower. It was first built in 1272 during Yuan Dynasty. The last three dynasties of China, Yuan, Ming, Qing. And the Forbidden City was built during Ming Dynasty, 1420. So, this drum tower is older than the Forbidden City, one dynasty before, during Yuan Dynasty. But also it burned many times and was rebuilt. The drum tower we see today from Qing Dynasty. So let's go inside. See, central axis. Since this is a newly renovated site, so you will find the English translation and even interactive exhibits with a high-tech feel. At exactly 7 p.m., the drums signaled the start of the curfew. City gates closed and the residents were forbidden to wander. The drum beat went like this: 18 fast strikes, then 18 slow strikes, then 18 steady strikes, repeated 2 times for a total of 108 beats. At 5 a.m., the bell announced the end of the curfew, gates opened, and the city awoke, and high-ranking officials hurried to the Forbidden City for a morning court. So why both a bell and a drum? Because in ancient times, timekeeping followed the rhythm of morning bell and evening drum. Original appearance of the bell tower. This one, the original appearance of the drum tower. So at dawn, the bell was struck. At dusk, the drum. These are the mythical beasts on the roof ridge. They are believed to ward off evil and bring good luck. This one, blazed tails. How did the ancient people measure time? They had many tools, and the most common one was the sundial. Also, ancient China divided the day into 12 shichen, each about 2 modern hours. This is 12 solar terms. See? The traditional paddle of Beijing. This one, selling watermelon.
金条块来到切的冰糖啊，天个妈呀！呀，天个妈呀！
When I was kid, I can still hear all this paddle in Hutong. But now, you cannot hear them anymore. Every hour, there is a traditional drum performance. So let's climb up to the 2nd floor. And you can see the 25 drums on the 2nd floor. Wow, that's the bell tower, see? Later, we will go to the bell tower. So now, let's go upstairs. Wow! Look at how steep these stairs. So steep. You know what? Can you imagine the Asian people? They have to climb up these steep stairs every single day for keep time. That's crazy. Look, so scary from this angle. All kinds of timekeeper in ancient China. Clepsydra, bronze clepsydra. This one is very common. You can see it in our National Museum and in the Forbidden City. A sundial, which uses the shadow of the sun to tell time. there are 25 drums in total. Of course, these are new one, the replicate. And this middle larger one represents the year, and the 24 small drums on the side represent 24 solar terms. And the only original one, surviving from the ancient times is this one. It's really old. And this is the principal drum, the middle one, the largest one. Here, you can see the whole view of Beijing.
啊，我知道，我上去过。那上还有个北京原点，那个。
See that pavilion is on the top of Jingshan Park, and this is the central axis of old Beijing. And after you pass the pavilion is the Forbidden City. I like the view here. In the distance is the CBD area with the skyscrapers, and Beijing's tallest building, 530 meters. In the foreground, you see these traditional old courtyard houses. Next stop, the bell tower. So let's go down first. Okay, next stop, let's go to the bell tower. See. You know what's inside the bell tower? The king of ancient bell, the largest and the heaviest bell ever. So, what it look like? Let's see. Wow, the bell tower. Can you tell what's the difference? The appearance. It's made of stone, and the drum tower made of wood. That's the difference. Wow, don't misunderstanding. That's not the original one. The king of ancient bell. It's on the second floor. Later, we will go to see it. These maps showing the evolution of Beijing as a city from Yuan to Qing Dynasty, illustrating how the central axis was formed. Beijing's central axis runs from south to north, passing through Tiananmen Square and the Forbidden City. And the city's central axis is also the axis of the Forbidden City itself. Considering that ancient people didn't have modern scientific instruments, the way they managed to establish such a precise axis is truly amazing. Let's go upstairs. Still the steep stairs. Finally, do extras at the bell tower. See this one? Ding, ding. This bronze bell, it was cast under the reign of Emperor Yongle of the Ming Dynasty. The same emperor who built the Forbidden City. Its main body standing 5.55 meters tall and weighs 63 tons. See, the drum tower and the bell tower echo each other. Do you remember the phrase, morning bell and evening drum? They were used to keep time for the entire city. This photo was taken in 1906 during the Qing Dynasty. Okay, let's go downstairs. Right after you come down from the Drum Tower and Bell Tower, you will find one of the best streets to explore in Beijing. There is a restaurant serve leftover meal, a mistress gold of wealth temple, and a spot I really wouldn't recommend you to visit. So what is it? Find out in my next city walk episode. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's see you next time. Bye bye.